This section covers fundamental electrical concepts, including circuits, current, voltage, resistance, and common components. Let's begin. Which subatomic particles move to create electric current? A. Electrons. B. Neutrons. C. Protons. D. Ions. Correct answer: electrons. The opposition to current flow in a circuit is measured in blank. A. Volts. B. Ohms. C. Watts. D. Coulombs. Correct answer: ohms. A diode's main job in a power supply circuit is to blank. A. Store charge. B. Step up voltage. C. Rectify AC to DC. D. Tune frequency. Correct answer: rectify AC to DC. A rechargeable lithium-ion cell is a source of blank current. A. Alternating. B. Direct. C. Pulsating AC. D. Half wave. Correct answer: direct. The following formula calculates a circuit's blank. A. Current. B. Voltage. C. Resistance. D. Power. Correct answer: power. The U.S. mains frequency of 60 Hz means the AC waveform reverses direction blank times per second. A. 30. B. 60. C. 120. D. 240. Correct answer: 120. A bridge rectifier uses blank diodes to convert both halves of an AC wave to DC. A. 2. B. 3. C. 6. D. 4. Correct answer: 4. The SI unit of electrical potential difference is the blank. A. Volt. B. Ohm. C. Ampere. D. Farad. Correct answer: volt. Two 1.5 volt batteries wired in series supply blank volts total. A. 1.5 volts. B. 1 volt. C. 2 volts. D. 3 volts. Correct answer: 3 volts. A short circuit occurs when resistance in the current path becomes nearly blank. A. Infinite. B. Rated value. C. Maximum. D. 0. Correct answer: 0. Which component can reset after interrupting excessive current? A. Fuse. B. Circuit breaker. C. Thermocouple. D. LED. Correct answer: circuit breaker. Closed circuit must contain a voltage source, conductors, and a blank. A. Switch. B. Load. C. Fuse. D. Potentiometer. Correct answer: load. A potentiometer is simply a variable blank. A. Capacitor. B. Inductor. C. Transformer. D. Resistor. Correct answer: resistor. Which component blocks current in one direction and emits light when forward biased? A. LED. B. SCR, C. Thermistor, D. UJT. Correct answer, LED. When electrons move from low to high potential, current is considered blank. A. Negative to positive. B. Positive to negative. C. AC only. D. Blocked. Correct answer, negative to positive. Copper is preferred for most wire because it balances low resistance with blank. A. Reasonable cost. B. Highest conductivity. C. Zero brittleness. D. Magnetic properties. Correct answer, reasonable cost. A material with a nearly full valence shell is a good blank. A. Conductor. B. Semiconductor. C. Insulator. D. Ferromagnet. Correct answer, insulator. In a parallel circuit, the blank across every branch is the same. A. Current. B. Resistance. C. Voltage. D. Power. Correct answer, voltage. Which term describes the complete stoppage of current due to a broken path? A. Short circuit. B. Closed circuit. C. Parallel branch. D. Open circuit. Correct answer, open circuit. Power in watts equals current squared times blank. A. Resistance. B. Voltage. C. Capacitance. D. Frequency. Correct answer, resistance. Electrical energy consumed over time is billed in blank hours. A. Volt. B. Kilowatt. C. Ampere. D. Joule. Correct answer, kilowatt. An integrated circuit is primarily a package that contains many blank. A. Transformers. B. Capacitors. C. Transistors. D. Fuses. Correct answer, transistors. The base lead of a transistor primarily blank. A. Stores charge. B. Controls collector-emitter current. C. Rectifies AC. D. Steps voltage. Correct answer, controls collector-emitter current. Silver is the best conductor but is rarely used for house wiring because it blank. A. Is too expensive. B. Has high resistance. C. Is brittle and magnetic. D. Corrodes quickly. Correct answer, is too expensive. In a series circuit, current is A. Different in each load. B. The same everywhere. C. Equal to applied voltage. D. Zero at ground. Correct answer, the same everywhere. A fuse protects a circuit by blank when current exceeds its rating. A. Melting. B. Opening mechanically. C. Absorbing the surge. D. Stepping down voltage. Correct answer, melting. A material whose valence shell is exactly half full is classified as a blank. A. Conductor. B. Insulator. C. Semiconductor. D. Ferromagnet. Correct answer, semiconductor. Current is measured in blank. A. Amperes. B. Volts. C. Watts. D. Joules. Correct answer, amperes. The unit farad is used to specify a component's blank. A. Inductance. B. Resistance. C. Capacitance. D. Power rating. Correct answer, capacitance. A conductor looped into a coil increases its blank compared with a straight wire. A. Capacitance. B. Resistance. C. Frequency. D. Magnetic field strength. Correct answer, magnetic field strength. Which symbol identifies an N-type semiconductor diode? A. Circle with X. B. Zigzag line. C. Triangle bar arrow. D. Parallel plates. Correct answer, triangle bar arrow. Household wiring in the United States delivers blank current at 60 Hz. A. Alternating current. B. Direct. C. Pulsating. D. Half-wave DC. Correct answer, alternating current.